Yeah, good day. Welcome to Motiness Design. In this particular episode of remodeling, we are going to work on the tidying surface of this particular project. So the first that I want to put coping upon all the parapet wall. So I'm going to go to level 4. I'm going to see it very well. So I'm going to say component and say model in place. So what I do here is that I will select any kind of thing that I need to. So I used to use casement, and you pick on casement. So casement 4, and you say create. So you use sweep, you don't use any other one. So sweep is faster. So I'm going to use that, and I will start picking lines. So pick line. So focus on the external aspect. So you'll be able to select the rightful one. Okay. So sorry, come to set. So you do that. Alright, so you go along and do the needful again like this. So just make sure that they are all connected without breaking. So that's the only area. So you do the same thing here all over. So what you do, click finish. So it's telling you that there is what? Some of them are not close together. So what you don't need to do is to use your trim and through every side, because you don't even know the side that can have the issue. I think there's only this side, two sides. So click finish. I think that's all. So now go to profile to do that. Go to north or south, anywhere you know that you can just fill this. Fine. So forward, you don't need just straight line to be drawn. You don't need any paparazzi to do anything. So just straight line, rectangle line, and do that. So it's your choice. You can put a little bit of design to the edges. That will be a beautiful thing to your home personal design. So let me just like add this one. It does not define anything. It's just a simple design. So that's what you do. Then you click. That's all. So you click finish now. Just go around. So go back to 3D and see the upper side. So this cover up the whole space. So the function of this is that you not allow rain or any kind of weather coming to penetrate within the block and start causing crack from the up. So that's what it's meant for. Now let's go back to, you can change the material if you please. So now let's go back to foundation. So here I don't need to do anything here than to just to create some flowers to this. So components, and then go to where you can find this. So you select here. Yeah, so I'm going to use this one. So when you click and you click, so but first thing that go to 3D so that you see the kind of flower they are and how they represent. So you look at realistic and check them out. So let me see what I've brought here. I think this is what I like. Good. So I think I prefer this. I just increase the size a bit. 1100. Okay. Yes. So I'll go back to, and I'll go and arrange them. So I can have multiple. You can change this. Can change the appearance. Can click on do more of what you need. So we are not going to spend too much time on this particular one. On this particular. Okay. I will just my own idea of doing what I'm doing. So I'm done with this one by that. So what is the next thing I need to do? I just want to create an environment for my building. You know what I'm doing is just modeling and things like that. So this is what I have. So I'm going to go to foundation again. So here now I go select the wall. So the wall I have 3. So I just want to create a little bit of fencing. So I have this one in place. So depends, but I'm not going to do anything other than this one. So just check the size. It's okay by you. I think that is 22. I think that's okay. So what I do here is that I'm going to create the fencing aspect. So let's look at it on 3D. this is how the environment looks like for now. Okay, I'm going to enter from here, then create parking space and every other thing that I want to put. All these things I'm going to model them. I'm not going to do any form of annotation. So just select this one and say ID category. Or let this go. So if this one is giving you here, the best thing is to do is to select none. Sorry, none, so that the part will disappear. To focus on what remains here. Now, I will say so to focus more on what I want to do now, I will use extrusion to create construction block, so that this one will serve as construction part. Now you know the block size is going to be double, so I'm going to get it double. So I'm going to say 450 by 450. Okay, so I'm bringing them here. So move from the middle. I think it's done. So that is what I have here. So double block on single. So what I do is that I will not leave it this way. I will just say come here. So that you can see the line very well. You can toggle the thick part. So you can mirror this one as well, so that you have so you break this as well. Okay, so you click finish. But before then, try to copy run, so that you'll be able to just drag at once. So copy and say copy from here. Bring it here from here now. Bring it to the front. So I'm not going to use any measurement. I just want to use the distance to validate everything I want to do. So I'm going to say copy. So copy from one part to the other, to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. The remaining one there, I'll just adjust it to beat up here. So I think this one is okay for me. So I'm going to bring this one and say copy, remove, sorry, I will remove it now. I'll move it now to this particular joint. Okay, I think it is okay for me. Now, this one in the front, I will work on that. So I will say mirror and then so go without rotate. So now I will do the same thing that I used to do here. Copy here. So just copy. So I'm going to say, because I want you. Now I do the next things that I will bring this one to this point. So what I want to do is to mirror. If I mirror it, because this is front, I have to be very careful because of the pattern in which they enter. So now they enter here. So now I'm going to check something from here to here is what distance. So 9 meters. So I just need like just say let me move from here to this one. I think I'm done with this. So the area that I need now, I think it's okay like that. Let me just check temporary dimension. Let me check temporary dimension and see. This is 6 meters and I need 3.6, just like 12 feet. So let me see from here. I'm not going to make it close. I'm just going to say copy, and I will say from here now. I'll just type 3. So let's remove the. So this is what I need. So do this one like that. So this is going to be my entrance. So I'm going to leave that. Now I will not leave this one like the remaining ones. So what I'm going to do is that I will copy. Say copy. Or first, let me before I finish what I'm doing here. So go to 3D. Now the 3D, you just need to adjust it and push it up. Since you have up to the 3, so you change it from here to 3,200. Let it be a little bit higher than the fence. Good. So I'm going to change the material. I'm going to change to something else. So let me just change this one to. Where are those default one? So I'm going to change it to something like dark. Okay, I think I need to mirror this other side. I'll mirror this one to the back so that will complete. So I think let me quickly do that before I progress. Edit. So I will say mirror. Okay, so the next is this. I'm going to say mirror. Okay, I think I have the issue here. It's okay not to have it. Let me delete it. You can copy it. Okay, do the same thing too. Copy that. Okay, so that's what I have here now. So I'm going to say finish. Then I will go back to my 3D. I will move with rotate around this while I create my gates here. But before I create my gate, I'm going to carry this come around the front. So say finish. Say quick save. Select this and say edit in place. Go back to this and then go to the ground floor. So what you just need to do is select and copy. You don't need to start dragging and writing another thing. So just select and paste like that. So to do that, say edit here. So move this one from here, move right to this edge. Okay, move this one too to that edge. From here, move it to the edge. Okay, so 3 more. Two more. 3 more. And 3 more. Now you create for the parts you have you want to have that, so you create this part out. You can do the same thing here too. So you know this is external aspect, so you know how to work on that. So click here and say, sorry, break it, then use 3 to do it. Do the same thing here too. Say click finish. So select this one, follow the same pattern, move, drop, do the same thing here, move, and drop it on this my side. Okay, so you do the same way, come to this side, simply done. So the same thing happen there. So after you're done with that one, then you draw the inside part. So it's your choice to do whatsoever that is scale and do the same thing. So I'm going to draw this. No, sorry, I'll break it, break and then break. So draw this, trim this one as well, then click finish, go to 3D and see what you've done. So that's what you are able to do. So click here. Now at this junction, you decide to work on this one by saying go to line. So what you just need to break it, break, then you use to end here, then this one to end here. So when you go back now, you see that it has opened. So it's now your choice to design the kind of gates you want at this level. So that's how it works. So from here now, you can select like this flower whatsoever that look like, you can just like say create similar or copy it, your choice. So copy, or just say copy, put it here, then rotate, so type 90°. So only mirror, you mustn't mirror. You can rotate whatsoever you want to rotate, but don't mirror. It will not show, it will not reflect. So that's the beauty of the model we are doing here so far. So as you're done with that one, now you can check whether you still have any other component or side parts that you can bring on. So like I'm going to have like this street light, or anyone like this one now, can bring it and then start placing them here, put them here, and put them here. So when you have them like that, you put them there, you put them there, you select and put them here. So look at it from 3D and discover that yes, so far so good. This is how far we are able to do. So as you're done with this one now, so the next aspect is that you work on how you bring cars and everything to bring to the. So it's a general was like a public compound, so there's not too much of what's it called, landscaping to do this. So all your focus will be just like, okay, this is entrance, and so this is the gate. So in the next episode, you focus on the gate, whatever that is needed. So thanks for watching. God bless you.